Today we are going to discuss 6 simple tips by which we can prevent the acne. These are very simple tips and very easy to follow in day-to-day life. So most common question we came across in our day-to-day practice that doc, what we should eat, what we avoid it. So research shows that the food which has the high glycemic index can cause the acne. So for that you need to avoid the dairy product like cheese, butter, paneer, chocolate, ice cream. These are the high glycemic index. Apart from this, you need to avoid pasta, sugar, sweets, white bread, white rice, potato, cornflakes, so that you can control your pimples. The food which are good for your skin are green vegetables, salad, fruit and fruit juice. In fruit, citrus fruit, which are the very rich source of vitamin C like orange, lemon, are very good for your skin. It prevent acne and give glow to your skin. Apart from food, you should also pay attention to the water intake. Water is very important for the hydration of the skin and it removes the toxin from the skin. So it prevents the acne. So per day, at least 10 to 12 glass of water intake is advisable. When we have pimples, we want to remove it fast. So as a human tendency, what we are doing, we are touching it, scratching it, popping it out, break it down. So what happens, instead of healing faster, healing is very delayed and chances of the infection, permanent pigmentation and permanent scar is there. So I advise you not to touch the pimples when it is in the active stage. You need to trim your nail regularly because nail can transmit infection. One thing what I have noticed that when we are free or when we are in front of mirror, we tend to scratch or break the pimples. So my advice you to lock your hands when you are free or in front of mirror, so you will avoid subconsciously touching your face. It is very important to keep our skin clean and clear. When there is a dust, oil, dead skin, keratin, particles, pollution on our face, the pores of our skin will be blocked and chances of the pimples is very high. To prevent this, you need to use the face wash which contains alpha hydroxy acid AHA like glycolic acid, salicylic acid, mandelic acid. This will clean your face from the deeper side and prevent the acne. When you wash your face, you should use your fingertips and gently massage it. You should not rub it. When you dry your skin, just simply pat it. What I have observed that many patients they are washing their face too frequently with the water. So what happens, your skin will become more sensitive and more irritated. So eventually chances of the pimples is very high. So don't do like this. So you should avoid heavy foundation, oil based makeup, cold cream, mineral oil, scrub, exfoliant and alcohol based toner. These are the products which will block your pores and do the pimples. So whenever you are using the product on the skin, you should use only product which are the water based या oil free, and the product must be non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic means the product do not cause acne. Let's see now hair care to prevent the acne. You should avoid application of the hair oil, gel and wax. Even you want to apply the hair oil, just apply 2-3 hours before the shampoo. You should regularly wash your hair with the shampoo. When you do conditioner, immediately after conditioner, it advised to wash your face to prevent the formation of the acne. You should keep your hair away from the face because the natural oil in the hairs tend to create the acne on the forehead. So now coming to the last tips. You must have noticed that normally your skin remains clean, but when there is a function, marriage, party or major event, 1 or 2 pimples come out. Do you know why this happens? This happens due to stress. Stress will increase the level of the cortisol hormones, and cortisol hormones will increase the activity of the oil glands, and lastly pimples develop. So you should avoid excessive tension and anger at the time of this event. You should do yoga, meditation, pranayam, exercise regular to prevent the excessive stress. You keep your eating and sleeping time regular. 7 to 8 hours of sleeping per day is ideal. Friends, these are the 6 tips which are very easy to follow in our day-to-day life. If you are follow this perfectly, I am definitely sure that your pimples will be in control. If you have query or questions regarding acne or any other skin related problem, you can ask me in the comment section. To watch more informative and practical video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.